Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork in the oven. First, select your preferred cut, such as a tenderloin or shoulder. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Then, season the pork generously on all sides with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for even cooking. Now, let's get that pork roasting. Place your seasoned pork on a rack within a shallow roasting pan. This allows for air circulation, promoting even cooking. Roast the pork for approximately 20 to 30 minutes per pound, depending on the cut and desired doneness. Remember to flip it halfway through to ensure a consistent golden brown crust on all sides. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. Knowing when your pork is perfectly cooked is key. For most cuts, aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Always insert your meat thermometer into the thickest part, making sure not to touch any bone. Once it reaches this temperature, remove the pork from the oven. This is crucial. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. After resting, it's time to slice and serve your magnificent roasted pork. Always slice against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Use a sharp carving knife for clean, uniform slices. Arrange the pork beautifully on a platter and serve it immediately with your chosen accompaniments. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, a juicy, flavorful, and perfectly cooked pork dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.